In this video, I'll show you how you can convert a Google Docs to a PDF on your mobile. So what you want to do is open up Google Docs. So I'm going to open up the application. And from here, obviously you need to be logged in. And then you can go ahead and find your document. So I'm just going to open up a random document. We will open up example document merged. This is just an example document I made for another video, and we're going to export it as a PDF. Once you've got your document open, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you want to go ahead and click on share and export. Then it will give you some options. Now what I recommend you do is click on print, and that will open up the printing window. Now from here, if you don't have a printer selected, you can go ahead and click on it, and it should then say no printers found. Just make sure you haven't got a printer selected. And then what you can do, you can make sure you've got the paper size and the layout all done, and make sure all of the pages are there. Then click on the upwards arrow next to the print icon, which will be grayed out. Then once you do that, this window will open, and then on iPhone, what you can do, you can click save to files, and I'm assuming you can do something similar on Android. Then that will open up your file explorer on our iPhone, and you can go ahead and save this. I'm going to save it to my iCloud drive. Now to access it, we would just go ahead and find files. And here you can see, here is the PDF document, and you can see that it is a PDF here, like it says here. So I hope that video helped you out.